it out. When you first walk in, you know, the guest quarters are all to the front. So, tub insert, you've got the granite countertops, and of course an upgraded tile and cabinetry. Here are the floors. The front room, notice it's already got blinds, those will convey, and it's got a fan. Okay. As we go back in, if we go to the left here, this is where the laundry is. Leads out to the garage. Laundry does convey, and it goes into the office. Now, he did not have the doors installed because he was making this an office. Again, blinds. You've got your powder room here, two-piece bathroom. And from here you go right into the kitchen. So you've got all the appliances, they all do convey. You've got your granite again, single basin, which is an upgrade. This black fixture is an upgrade. The cabinets are not white, they're a taupe. You've got a beautiful solid white beveled backsplash. You've got your full pantry. And this is what it looks like looking out. So again, all those continuous floors, look at that back, that's gorgeous. And let's talk about these blinds. They are mechanical blinds that have been installed in here, so they're an upgrade. All right, let's go check out the main bath. Okay, so coming into the main bedroom, you've got the two closets, plenty of space in each. And then you've got your tray ceiling, the bay windows, and another feature you've got in here, he did not put the recessed lighting, but he added a door to the back patio straight from the main bedroom, okay? So that's definitely an upgrade. And again, you've got the mechanical blind there. Let's go see the main bath. Again, with the rest of the house, you've got the matching granite with the gray taupe style coloring. You've got a full shower there. And it does have a linen closet and a water closet. Let's go look out the back, okay? Gorgeous. There's that main bedroom door, and these doors go all the way open to this last panel. Landscaping is in. And I'll give you a view of the back of the home.